Step 3, connect beams 4L and 4R, which is 4 left and 4 right, to beams, the pair of beams 1 and 2. I need to tell you that in the manual I am looking at, the right side diagram of beams 1 and 2 connected to beams 4 right is not correct. So I'll show you. When you connect the screws, you'll see that the manual does not match up with the screws, the holes, and the sides. The sides have 2 steps. 1, 2, actually 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. The inside has just one inside. So this, you have to put actually beam 2 to the right side of 4 right, and another beam 2 on the left side for 4L, and you put the screws again, one on the top and one on the outside, the same way I did one on the top and one on the outside for the right side. So you can see that's beam 2 that fits that way. You cannot fit it in any other way.